take your online trading skills to the next level? Look no further, because in this video, we will guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on mastering Upstox. With Upstox, you'll gain access to a world of opportunities in the stock market. First, let's start with the basics. Upstox is a powerful online trading platform that allows you to buy and sell securities in real time. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to get started. But Upstox is not just for beginners. Even experienced traders can benefit from its advanced features. You can analyze market trends with advanced charts, indicators, and tools. You can execute trades quickly and efficiently with their integrated order management system. One of the key advantages of Upstox is its low brokerage fee. You'll save money on every transaction you make. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, ready to assist you whenever you need help. So, how do you excel in online trading with Upstox? It all starts with knowledge. Educate yourself on the different aspects of the stock market. Understand how to read charts, analyze trends, and identify potential opportunities. Practice is also crucial. So, open a simulated trading account with Upstox and hone your trading skills without risking real money. And remember, it's not just about making profits, but also managing risks. Set realistic goals, diversify your portfolio, and always stay updated with market news. By mastering Upstox, you'll have the tools and knowledge to excel in online trading. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards financial independence today.